Hi friends, so this video shows how to delete Minikube. So you can see I'm using Minikube version 1.9.2. So I installed Minikube with VirtualBox driver. You can see Minikube is running on VirtualBox. So I'm going to delete it. So first let me stop it. Minikube stop. So when you run stop, it will stop this VirtualBox virtual machine. So please wait, it will take some time. Okay, it's powered off. So then let me delete it. Okay, VirtualBox stopped. Let me start VirtualBox again. So there is no VM on VirtualBox. So this way we can delete it. But you can see that it actually this Minikube cache this downloaded ISO file and Kubernetes pre-installed image in this folder. In this folder, if you go to ISO, there you can see the cached ISO. If we go to pre-installed turbo, there you can see pre-installed turbo. So it will be fast if you start it again. Let me start again. So I am going to start it. Let me open VirtualBox and see what is happening. You can see it's creating VirtualBox VM, CPU to memory and disk. See, it's created Minikube VM